Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the lesson animals and their food habits. In this lesson, in this previous class, you have learned about how animals are classified according to their food habits. According to their food habits, animals are classified into three types. You learned in the previous class what are they? Herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. On the basis of their food habits, animals are divided in three types: herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. Again we have learnt about the three types of teeth. Animals have three types of teeth. What are they? Cutting teeth, tearing teeth and grinding teeth. Now in that we learned teeth of herbivore in the previous class. How teeth of herbivore? Sharp and pointed, and they have broad and flat teeth backside. Now today we are going to learn teeth of carnivore. Teeth of carnivores. Now see which animals have. Carnivore animals have teeth. See how they are there. Now animals like tigers, dogs, wolves, bears and cats which eat other animals have long pointed front teeth. See how their teeth it is long pointed sharp teeth. See, these teeth help them to tear the flesh. These teeth how they are helping to tear the flesh. These teeth help them to tear the flesh. They have broad grinding teeth to cut and chew the meat and bones. They have back grinding teeth. What they have backside? Grinding teeth. Broad and flat teeth backside. They are using for grinding and cut the meat and bones. Now front teeth they are used for tear the flesh. Now back teeth they are using for cutting and chewing the meat and bones. Now some carnivores like snakes and frogs swallows other animals as a whole. See here in the picture, the snake is a carnivore animal. See what it is eating? Frog. Yes or no? What it is eating? Frog. Has whole. Once only it kept total in the mouth. Like this some other animals also eat total at a time. Now these animals do not have teeth to chew the food. See, these animals don't have teeth to chew the food. They keep once only in the mouth and swallow it. That much only they are doing, these animals. Now teeth of omnivores. See, so omnivore animals what they are eating? Both plants and animals. Yes or no? Herbivore animals eating only plants. Now carnivorous animals eating only animals, flesh. Now omnivore animals eat both plants and animals. Now see how their teeth were there. Now some animals eat both plants and other small animals. Some animals what they are eating? Both plants and animals also. Small animals, they belong to omnivores. Now human beings and animals like bear have all the three kinds of teeth. Human beings also eat both plants and animals. Now human beings and these animals have three kinds of teeth. Now what we have? Three kinds of teeth. See here what are they? Cutting teeth, tearing teeth and grinding teeth. Now cutting teeth how it is? Sharp and pointed. Tearing teeth long pointed and curved, and grinding teeth broad and flat. You can observe here cutting teeth sharp and pointed, how we see here. Tearing teeth how long it is and pointed curved. Now grinding teeth broad and flat. See here broad and flat. These three teeth human beings also have these three teeth, as well as omnivore animals also have these three types of teeth. Now you see children, Now, like animals like bear have all three kinds of teeth to cut and chew the plant food and meat. See what they are using to cut and chew the plant and meat. How they are using these three teeth? To cut the plant, to chew the food and meat. For that purpose they are using these three types of teeth. Now the gnaws. Now rats and squirrels have large chisel like front teeth in the upper and lower jaws. The animals that gnaw are called rodents. They feed on seeds, fruits and plant material. Now you observe here picture teeth of rat. Now rats and squirrel have large teeth in the front, in the upper jaw. See how it is teeth here in the front upper jaw. The animals that gnaw are called rodents. They feed on seed, fruits and plants material. They feeding on seeds and fruits and plant materials. They eat only seeds, fruits and some plants. Now see suckling animals. Suckling animals means mammals like cow, goat, cat, horse and pig suckle their young ones. Suckle means feed with milk from breast. See, cow and calf. Cow giving milk to calf, baby. Yes or no? That is called suckling. Now cat giving milk to kitten. Now that is called suckling. Now dog and puppy. Dog giving milk to puppy. These like these animals like cow, goat, cat and horse and pig suckle their young ones. Means feeding milk from breast. Now animals licking their food. See animals licking their food. Now animals like lions, tigers, cats, wolves, foxes and dogs lick milk and water with the help of their tongue. Now see cat licking milk. Cat, how it will drink milk? Cat with the help of tongue. It will drink the milk, lick the milk. Now dog also licking milk with the help of tongue only. It will use tongue and lick the milk. That animals lick their food. Some animals lick their food like this. Some animals lick their food with the help of their tongues. See here in the cat picture, cat is licking milk and dog is licking milk with the help of their tongue. Now turn your page, children. See, butterflies and moths have a long tube like tongue called proboscis to suck nectar from flowers. Butterflies and moths, what they have? Long tube called nectar. Sorry children, proboscis, long tongue called proboscis. How they are using that long tongue? To suck nectar from the flowers. Nectar means honey from the flowers. Butterflies take honey from the flowers, yes or no? They are using to suck nectar from the flowers. Now see, mosquitoes, bedbugs and leeches suck blood of other animals with suckers. See mosquitoes here, you can observe picture, hand is given. See on the hand mosquito what it is doing? Sucking blood, yes or no? With the help of its bugs. But they are sucking blood. Leeches also like this only, suck the blood of other animals. Now see, ninth you have the earthworm swallows soil which has decaying plants and animals. Earthworm, what it is swallowing? Soil which is decaying plants and animals. See here in the picture earthworm is swallowing the soil which is decaying the plants and animals. Now 10th one you have a spider. A spider makes a web to trap insects. Spider, what it is making? Web. This one is web. Spider makes a web. Why it is making? To trap insects in it. To trap insects in it, spider makes a web. Now elephant you have See elephant. The elephant breaks branches of trees and plucks leaves with its trunk. See here, trunk is there. No elephant. What it is doing? It is plucking branches of trees. It is breaking branches of trees. This is branch of a tree. It is breaking. See, using the trunk and breaking the branch of tree and plucking leaves and puts in its mouth with the help of trunk only. This trunk only it is putting into the mouth. Now it sucks water with its trunk. Again, what it is, how it is drinking water? With the help of trunk only it is drinking water. It is sucking water with the help of its trunk. It is breaking branches of trees and plucking leaves with its trunks and drinking water, sucking water with its trunk. Elephant. See children, this is your lesson, animals and their food habits. So different animals are using different types of pots to take in food. In this lesson you learned how animals are using different pots and how they are eating food. Now how food habits are different from each and another animal. Each and another animal have different types of food habits. Now we will recall the points once again. See here, animals need food for growth, health and energy. Why animals need food? For growth, for development, for health and energy. We also need food for growth and health and energy. Yes or no? Animals are divided into 3 groups according to their food habits. Till now I said no. As I said, animals are divided into 3 groups based on their food habits. Now plant eating animals. Plant eating animals, some animals only eating plants. Flesh eating animals, some animals eats only animals. Now plants and flesh eating animals, plants and flesh they are eating both plants and flesh. Now those animals who eat plants are called herbivorous animals. Now which animals only eat flesh are called carnivorous animals. Now again, animals that eat plants and flesh are called omnivorous animals. Now these are the 3 types of animals based on their food habits you learned in this lesson. Now the shapes of teeth, tongue and mouth parts of an animal depend upon the food it eats. Now you have learned 3 types of teeth. Yes or no? You have also learned about 3 types of teeth in the lesson. What are they? See, cutting teeth, tearing teeth, grinding teeth, sharp and pointed, long pointed and curved, broad and flat. These 3 types of teeth are there to these animals, to herbivorous and carnivorous and omnivorous animals. Now flesh eating animals have long pointed front teeth and broad flat back teeth. Flesh eating animals, how their teeth is? They have long pointed, front teeth is long pointed and back side they have broad and flat teeth to chew the food. Now plant and flesh eating animals have all the 3 kinds of teeth. Plants and animal eating flesh have all the 3 kinds of teeth. Some animals like butterflies, mosquitoes and moths take liquid food. Butterflies and mosquitoes, what they are taking? Liquid as the food. Now mosquito is sucking blood. Yes or no? It is a liquid form. Which form it is there? Liquid form. So how the food is? In liquid form. Now this is your lesson, animals and their food habits.